Today, I'll show you how to assemble the Evolution Cocoon 3-in-1 pushchair. The pushchair has these components: frame with seat and basket, 2 front wheels, 2 rear wheels, soft CARRYCOT with cover, safety rail, cup holder, mosquito net, rain cover, hood, leg warmer, 2 shorter side inserts, 2 longer side inserts. The set also includes travel system accessories, i.e. the Mink car seat with adapters. Start by unfolding the frame. Release the lock and hold the parent's handle and lift it until it locks. Now assemble the hood. Slide it into the guides. Then pull the material through the lever on the top of the seat and fasten with Velcro and snap fasteners. If you want to remove it, detach it here. Take the material from behind the lever, press the button and pull out. Done. Now it's time to attach the wheels. First the rear ones. Slide until you hear a click. If you want to remove the wheel, press this button and slide it out. Now the front wheels. Slide them into the holes in front of the frame until they lock. If you want to remove the wheels, press this button and pull. The front wheels can be locked in the fixed position for guiding in a straight line. Just move this lever. You can use the Evolution Cocoon from the first days of your child's life. The soft CARRYCOT provides comfort and safety. The CARRYCOT must be always mounted facing the parent. To change direction, set the backrest so that the grey lines form a single line. Pull the seat out of the frame, rotate and assemble it like this. Remember to always mount the CARRYCOT in the lying position with the backrest lowered as far as it will go. Now you can prepare the CARRYCOT. To immobilize it, slide the appropriate inserts here and fasten the Velcros, longer at the sides and shorter at the top and bottom. Remember to remove them before washing the CARRYCOT. Then place the CARRYCOT on the seat. You don't need to detach the pushchair's safety harnesses. Attach them to the CARRYCOT. Pull them through these loops and then through behind the backrest. Now fasten under the seat. You can unfasten the CARRYCOT sleeping bag and attach it with the snap fasteners. The CARRYCOT will surround your baby and the soft mattress will make him or her comfortable. Done. Remember that the CARRYCOT is designed for children weighing up to 9 kilograms, who do not yet crawl and do not sit on their own. When the toddler gets a little older, you can use the main function of Evolution Cocoon, which is a reliable pushchair. Start by dismantling the CARRYCOT. Unlock the straps under the seat like this and pull them through the loops. Then take off the CARRYCOT. After removing the CARRYCOT, lower the footrest and position the seat in the desired direction. Then set the backrest in the sitting position. Now mount the guardrail. Slide it into the guides on the frame's sides. If you want to take the rail out, push in here and take it out. Done. The pushchair set includes accessories. Just slide the beverage holder here on the frame. Pull it out to dismantle. On cold days, the leg warmer will come in handy. Put it on the seat and fasten with these snaps. You are also prepared for rain, because the pushchair is provided with a special cover. Put it on the seat with or without the leg warmer and secure it with the snap fasteners. Additionally, the Evolution Cocoon set includes a mosquito net. Just put it on and secure it with the straps on the backrest. The backrest in the pushchair can be adjusted by pulling this lever. There are 3 positions to choose from: sitting, reclining and lying. In each of them, the backrest locks automatically. You can easily fit the footrest. You can adjust it by lifting it to the desired position. You can lower it by pressing these buttons. The pushchair's hood can be conveniently unfolded. When you want it to be more airy, undo the zip and uncover the ventilation net. The handle can be adjusted to the parent's height for comfort. Just push and pull. The brake is very easy to use. Just push it to stop the pushchair. You then push the brake when you want to move again. Additionally, the pushchair features a 5-point safety harness with protectors. You can adjust its height. For this purpose, fold the hood, take out the guardrail, unfasten the belts, slide the protector, and move the buckle to the desired height. You can adjust both shoulder belts and side belts. To remove the safety belts, take the buckles out of the holes in the cover. Pull the crotch bolt out through the hole in the cover and seat. Done. Now remove the hood. Push in here, take out. Unfasten the snap and Velcro fasteners on the backrest and take it off. Rotate the seat. You can also remove the cover for washing. Unfasten these Velcros and take the catches off the cover. Now detach and remove the insert from the footrest. Finally, you can take off the whole cover. Done. To put the cover back on, put it on the backrest and the seat. Then hook and attach the material under the seat. Put in the footrest insert, fasten it with Velcros, and attach the cover. Now you can insert and fasten the hood. Now it's time to attach the safety belts. First the shoulder belts, then the hip and crotch belt. Put on the protectors. Then fasten the belts in the buckle. Finally, attach the guardrail. The 3-in-1 Evolution Cocoon is ideal for longer trips because it comes with a mink car seat. To assemble it, first remove the seat. Now put these adapter parts on the pushchair frame. The other 2 parts are mounted on the seat. Connect them by placing the seat on the frame. If you want to dismantle the seat, press here and take it out of the pushchair frame. Finally, by pressing these buttons, remove the adapters. Done. The Evolution Cocoon can be folded comfortably without removing the seat. When forward facing, position the backrest parallel to the handle. Fold the hood, lower the handle and lift the seat with the footrest to the maximum. Then unlock with the button. Turn in the direction shown by the arrow and lift. The lock should automatically engage. If rearward facing, position it like this and fold it exactly in the same way as previously. Okay, the pushchair's folded, you can go. Enjoy!